In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google services to n8n using credentials. We'll walk through setting up a secure connection so your n8n workflows can talk to Google Sheets, Google Drive, or Gmail. This process uses n8n's credentials, which are saved connections that you can reuse across workflows. Once you set this up once, you won't need to log in again for each node. Start inside n8n and look to the left sidebar. Find and click the section labeled Credentials. This is your central place for managing connections to external apps. To add a new one, click the button that says New Credential or Add Credential. This opens a guided setup panel where you'll choose the app and authenticate. In the search box that appears, type the name of the Google service you want to use. You can connect to Google Sheets if you plan to read or write spreadsheet data, Google Drive if you want to work with files and folders, or Gmail if you need to send or organize email. Click the service you want to select it. Choosing the right service here defines what kind of actions your workflows will be able to perform later, so pick the one that matches your use case. You can add more Google services as separate credentials later if needed. Next, connect your Google account. Click the button labeled Connect or Authenticate. A Google login window will pop up. Sign in with the Google account you want n8n to use. If you work with multiple Google accounts, make sure you pick the one with the files, emails, or sheets you plan to access. Google will show a permissions screen. Review what's requested and grant access. If you don't see the pop-up, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow it for n8n so the login can complete. When authentication finishes, n8n will bring you back to the credentials view. You should now see your new credential listed as connected. It's a good idea to give it a clear name that indicates which Google service and account it's tied to, especially if you'll manage multiple connections. Finally, put the credential to work in your automation. Add a Google node to a workflow, such as Google Sheets, Google Drive, or Gmail, and look for the credentials drop-down inside that node's settings. Select the credential you just created. From there, you can choose your operation, fields, and data mapping, and the node will use that saved connection behind the scenes. That's it. You've connected Google to n8n and are ready to build powerful, repeatable workflows without logging in each time.